Are you tired of your WooCommerce shop page looking like every other default store? The Archive Products widget in Elementor is the key to customization. Learn to add it in under 4 minutes. We'll start by editing the homepage in Elementor, then click into WooCommerce and select the Archive Products widget. I'll also show you what happens when you hit the Pro Upgrade prompt. Start by heading to your homepage and opening it in the Elementor editor so you can work directly on the layout. Then click right on that highlighted section. That's what you're going to add the widget to. Now, from the Elementor left panel, find and click on WooCommerce to open up its set of widgets. And then choose Archive Products from that list to drop the widget into your chosen spot. You'll get a prompt to use the Archive Products widget, and of course, dozens more pro features. Go ahead and click on that. This triggers the upgrade offer, so hit the Upgrade Now button to continue. Then click Upgrade Now one more time to finalize your action. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.